Hey guys, welcome back. This is my second Lego build video after my award-winning first video. This is the Lego UFO abduction, as you can see. It's missing all the minifigures because somebody took them, but you can see this lifts up. Some antennas in here. And the coolest feature is probably this. The light brick. Oh, my eye! Anyway, it's pretty cool. Guess you can push that to make it work. But anyway, make sure you guys link and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And send a couple shout outs to Rylan has a big bubble butt and Declan got ran over by a reindeer. Peace out, suckers.